Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see your Amazon chat history with customer service. This is particularly useful when you need to reference previous conversations about orders, returns, or any support issues you've discussed with Amazon's team. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Account and Lists menu. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Customer Service. This section is your gateway to all support-related features and tools Amazon provides. Now, here's where things can vary slightly depending on your account activity. If you've recently had a chat with Amazon support, you might see a button labeled Back to Chat. If this button is visible, go ahead and click it. Doing so will immediately take you to your complete chat history, displaying all your previous conversations with customer service representatives in one convenient location. However, if you don't see the Back to Chat button, don't worry, there's another way to access your chat history. Look for an option that says something else and click on it. This will open up additional support options that aren't immediately visible on the main customer service page. Next, you'll want to click on I need help with something else. This option essentially acts as a catch-all category for accessing various support features, including your chat records. Once you click this, a new window will appear on your screen. This window is designed to help you with various issues, but more importantly for our purpose, it also contains your chat history. Inside this new window, simply scroll up to view your recent chat history. Amazon organizes these conversations chronologically, so your most recent interactions will typically appear first. You can scroll through to find specific conversations or reference details from past support chats. This feature is incredibly handy when you need to recall what a representative told you or when you want to follow up on a previous issue. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Amazon chat history with customer service, giving you easy access to all your previous support conversations whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.